Complete the inequality using less than, greater than, or equal to EF blank JK. Let's look at these two triangles. We have segment DE is congruent to segment HJ, segment DF congruent to segment HK. We have measure of angle D is 80 degrees, measure of angle H is 85 degrees. Now, according to the hinge theorem, if two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle, and the included angle of the first is larger than the included angle of the second, then the third side of the first is longer than the third side of the second. Well, that's a real mouthful, but here's what it says. You have two sides that are congruent of the triangle, and you have two angle measures. Now notice this angle H is greater than angle D. That means that this measure of segment JK has to be bigger than this measure of segment EF. And that should kind of make sense because this triangle HJK is a little bit wider than DEF. So this one has to be greater over here because the 85 degrees is greater than the 80 degrees. So completing the inequality, since JK is greater, EF is going to be less than JK.